Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to share your live location on WhatsApp. So you can share your location with your friends and family, and this comes handy when you come to safety issues. Stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get right on it. All you need to do is just open up your WhatsApp application, either business or regular WhatsApp, and select the friend that you want to share location with. And then in the bottom of the page on the left, you click on the plus sign, and it's going to open up this menu, and then you're going to see that there is a location. So you click on a location, and then it's going to open up the location sharing. So you can share live location, or if you currently on that list nearby you can share that location as well. But to share live location, you need to go to your location setting on the WhatsApp, and you can select always, so your friend can see you all the time wherever you are in real time. So you go back, and then you can select the number of hours you want your friend to follow you. So you can select either 15 minutes or 1 hour or 8 hours, depending on how long you want to share your location. So here we're gonna select 1 hour. So my friend is I'm gonna share my location with my friend for only 1 hour, and after 1 hour it's gonna stop sharing. So as you can see it here, it's already set up. It's very nice, and the location shows right on that page, on the chat page. And then you can go back and you can select end location if you wish to end it sooner than expected. So guys, this feature comes handy when we come to safety issues. So you want to go somewhere and you don't feel safe, you can share your live location with loved ones. And now let's go back, and then you see that the map still on that page, on your friend's page. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it, even though it's not functional anymore, but you can delete it off of this page. And also you can delete whatever I deleted before, and it's still showing deleted messages. I can delete them all, but this time just for me. That's what it's gonna ask you for. But overall, it's a great feature. So it protects you when you go to an unsafe place and you want your friends to know, or your family to know where you are. So you can add multiple friends, you can add family, friends, close friends. You can add whoever you want to share your location with. And also you want to delete friends you want to stop sharing. There is a special procedure. So right now, let me show you. We're gonna go to account. So when you go to account, you can select privacy. So when you select privacy, you can go to location. So that's location right here. So you click on it, it's gonna show you who's following you, who you're sharing your location with, how many people. So right now I have nobody following me right now because I deleted it. I deleted the one that I set up before. But I'm gonna go ahead and add my friend, and I'm gonna show you how it shows into that specific page. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna select my friend again. You go to the chat button, and I select my friend, and I'm gonna go to add location. So I select a location, and then as you can see, I'm gonna select live location. Right, so I'm gonna allow him to follow me for only 1 hour, and then I press add location, and over here you're gonna see my location in real time displayed on my friend's page. And then now I'm gonna close the page, and then I go back to settings, and from settings I go to account, and from account I'm gonna select privacy. And then here you're gonna see on location, you're gonna see that I have one person that I'm sharing my location with. And as I mentioned, you can add multiple friends, but this is where you come and say stop sharing. So you can delete all your friends. You can stop sharing your location with them. So guys, this is a very cool feature. As I mentioned before, when you come to safety issues and you want to share your location for a little bit of time, for example, you go to a place and for 1 hour and you don't feel safe there, you can share your locations with your friend, and that's how you do it. And now we go back to the main menu. So this is the main page of my WhatsApp, So when you open the main page, that's what you get. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.